gun manufacturers have been revealing their new revolvers just recently. They are used in every military and law enforcement agency worldwide. In this video, we look at 5 of the newly revealed revolvers available to you in 2023. Let's get started. Taurus Raging Hunter 460 10.5 inch. The Taurus Raging Hunter 460 10.5 inches Magnum is all new this year. The new 460 Magnum revolver features a proprietary compensator that effectively tames the recoil of the powerful 460 Magnum round. This means that the shooter can effectively deliver rapid follow-up shots in the unlikely circumstance you need one. Available with a 10.5-inch barrel, the Raging Hunter is an excellent choice for hunting. It can safely chamber and fire the less powerful 454 casual and 45 Colt rounds, feeding your need for a Magnum revolver. This powerful 5-shot revolver delivers a stronger, more accurate shot than other revolvers. The Raging Hunter is built on a massive solid steel frame, which makes it a heavy revolver. It has a large, easy-to-see black rubber combat-style grip and a Picatinny knee rail for mounting accessories. The Raging Hunter 460 is a single double-action revolver with a fully adjustable rear and fixed front sight. The fiber optic front and rear sights are perfect for rapid target acquisition. All these features combine to make the Raging Hunter 460 Magnum the perfect handgun for hunting hogs and other big games. Rossi RP63. Rossi's RP63 is the legendary revolver that never fails. The RP63 is the latest release from Rossi and marks the return of the legendary revolver. It features a double-action trigger and an unbelievably crisp single-action trigger pull. The RP63 is optimized for concealed carry, thanks to its 3-inch barrel and fixed sights. The front sight is ramped for a snag-free draw. Like all of the new Rossi revolvers, the firing pin is mounted directly to the hammer, giving the gun maximum reliability with all types of primers. The Rossi RP63 is a medium-sized, 6-shot revolver chambered for the powerful .357 Magnum cartridge. The wide variety of .357 Magnum loads available means you'll never go wanting for a bullet to match your needs. The full underlug barrel adds additional weight, which helps manage Magnum recoil. The rugged rubberized grip on the RP63 provides a comfortable and sure grip to help you keep calm under pressure. However, the loads are powerful and can be felt in hand, so you can get a speed loader to help manage the ammo. Its front sight is removable serrated blade, and the rear sight is fixed. The stainless steel barrel, frame, and cylinder provide a lifetime of durability and rust resistance, while the hammer block gives you a secure hold, with the confidence and peace of mind of knowing it won't fire unless you want it to. It has an overall length of 7.96 inches, an overall height of 5.20 inches, a width of 1.46 inches, and an unloaded weight of 27.30 ounces. The Rossi RP63 is ready to be your everyday carry. Get your hands on one today and experience the feel of a revolver that's truly designed for the 21st century. Taurus Executive Grade Judge. When you need to take a long way home, look no further than the Taurus Judge. One of the market's most innovative and intriguing revolvers, the Judge is designed to work well in tight spaces and at close range. The new Judge Executive Grade is a new and improved version of the legendary Judge. The Judge is the only revolver you can use to fire 410 shotgun shells and 45 Colt ammunition. This new Judge is fitted with a ventilated drib, allowing a more incredible sight radius and increased accuracy for the 45 Colt round. The Taurus Judge is a 5-shot, and during testing, it successfully engaged targets out to 100 yards. The Judge is a natural point coupled with its lightweight and manageable recoil. We can deliver faster repeat shots than expected from a gun of its type. A hand-polished satin finish, presentation-grade wood grips, a brass rod front sight, and an exceptional hand-tuned trigger enhance shooting comfort. The Judge Executive Grade features a 3-inch barrel over the standard 2.5-inch Judge. It has a single and double action. This is great news for hunters and outdoors people who want one gun for close range and long-range games. Magnum Research Thunder Snub. Magnum Research is excited to offer the Thunder Snub from their brand new Magnum Research tactical revolver line. Magnum Research BFR Thunder Snub is the right choice for hunters requiring a high-power, easy-to-handle those big game or bear situations. At 3.5 pounds, this lightweight Magnum Research wheel gun is easy to tote around but packs a hefty punch. The barrel is just 3 inches long, but the overall length is a whopping 10 inches, and it holds 6 rounds of 45 to 70 government. So it's small compared to its siblings, but it will dwarf any normal snub. This Magnum Research sidearm is built with a stainless steel frame, while the barrel and cylinder are crafted of carbon steel. It created the BFR Thunder Snub for those folks into extremely close quarters and last-ditch protection. It is a modernized version of the single-action revolver. This is the ultimate backwoods gun, with stopping power you're not likely to ever need. Smith & Wesson Model 350. Smith & Wesson is a brand that prides itself on delivering the best hunting revolvers. Smith & Wesson engineers created and released the X-Frame, which is the basic design for the most powerful production revolver, the Smith & Wesson 500. The Smith & Wesson Model 350 revolver is the first production revolver to shoot the 350 Legend hunting calibers. It's a fascinating, powerful handgun with a sparkling performance. The 350 Legend is a powerful hunting handgun cartridge that is great for taking down medium-sized games for the thrill of the hunt. The Model 350 features a 7.5-inch ported barrel to tame the recoil, making it an excellent gun for hunting medium-sized games. Additionally, this revolver features a 7-shot, fluted cylinder to enhance performance. It has a red ramp front sight and also includes moon clips. It has a stainless steel barrel and a stainless steel frame. It is double action, single action, so that you can choose your preferred option. So, if you're looking for the most powerful hunting revolver on the market, the Smith & Wesson Model 350 is the best choice. In this video, we talk about the different features you should look for when purchasing a new revolver and the best of the best. We hope this information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.